Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Luchina. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook monetization issue. Sometimes you have met all the requirements, the 5,000 followers, your watch hour, and yet you're not receiving your setup. There are actually some issues that are making that to happen. So that is exactly what I'm going to teach you how to fix it in this particular video. To fix this problem, open your Facebook. Click on this straight dot where you have your profile picture, then scroll down to help and support, then click on support inbox, then click on your alerts. Then here you find all the videos that are actually causing the problem. This might be videos that you posted years back that Facebook doesn't support based on copyright issue or other issues like reuse content or even harassment content and all the rest of that. So all you have to do is to take note of these particular videos and go back to your page and delete all of them. So now let me show you what a clean Facebook page should look like. As you can see, this particular page says no video violation. Thank you for helping to keep Facebook safe for everyone. So this simply means that this particular page does not have any issue. All you have to do is to go through the process that I have shown you in this particular video and clean your Facebook up. Once you do it within 48 hours, you should be able to receive your monetization setup. Thank you for watching. Please do well to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.